Bankwest Zero Platinum Mastercard. Bankwest Zero Platinum Mastercard is a simple, no-fee card which is perfect for frequent flyers with no foreign exchange transaction fee. Just don't be expecting to get any points or bonuses or any other sort of frills. You know, at the end of the day, it's a pretty basic card, but it has some really good pros to it. So the Bankwest Zero Platinum Mastercard's pros are as follows. No annual fee forever, and no overseas transaction fee. There's a big intro offer of 0% interest on new purchases and transfers for 6 months. There's a long interest-free period, generous 55 days to pay off purchases. So there's a high credit limit, so the Platinum card starts from $6,000 credit, good for bigger balances. So the cons of this card is there's no rewards, so you won't earn any points or cash back. So there's a high post-intro interest, so 18.99% on purchases, balance transfers, which is pretty high. And it's one of those cards that you're best to pay off each month in full, as interest can pile up if not.